The weed in there again.
You just look a bit freshish.
Right. Look on ganja gone to sky I know.
10,000.
Blood clot, I entertain a weed.
10,000. Boy, you don't know say what day my dad told.
Blood clot.
Let me tell you something. What day my dad told Zin? And I'm gonna tell me say, yo, you see someone a ball about weed. And we are true, they don't know weed. Man, tell me say you have weed yourself for 500,000 a pound, a million. You know.
Entertainer weed, man.
Entertain. What you call it?
Entertainer.
Entertainer.
Fuck. Let's see if I stage and press out some blood clot and get the world already.
And then good weed they are
When
doing.
in Concord,
Yeah.
gone. I have to come back again.
Yeah. So I kush them man. Kush right with them weed. I ain't nothing now, man.
Right. Weed I look hard to buy quarter pound for
4,000.
And later on I see one come back to 17 bomb clot grand. Weed I come no back to blood clot nothing, man.
True, man. But you want it. You have to smoke, you have to buy it.
I'm glad that no man no find me weed.
So what you say? Do you feel say weed will drop?
Up by here, like that.
Oh, buy a drop out of there. Oh.
Yeah, man, they say, man, they are the matic. Man, they are jail now to pussy class take a matic. Badness. Fuck. Badness. Right now, I'm not afraid. You afraid? No. Fuck, we know you're not afraid.
Every friend that we drink quite rum.
Yeah, man, anyway, I'm going to match it.
Let's see how I got that phone. Tomorrow I pay bill for you. Today I win. Wednesday.
I'm at school.
Yeah. You get paid early than police and soldier. Oh, fuck.
I'm saying I'm on pay bill.
Oh, yeah. And I'm on pay bill.
Yeah.
Until the second week in a month.
No, this a month. Not for this month, yeah.
Oh, for last month. Then that's how long you take to run the local money?
No, we get pay bill fortnight, you know.
Oh!
But you know, saying I'm on pay bill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this I want to come. In a month, pay bill are coming out.
Hey, boy! Yeah.
Tomorrow, pay bill are enough.
Yes. That's sweeter.
Nigga! You grew up and you want to stop over there. And you want grain and all away.
He turned big man now.
Yeah, man.
He turned big man
The
now.
music you can't hear the music here. You want to play by the punk.
Hey, boy! Yo, me say me love them only, fuck. You know easy, you know. People they love us still in the jam. Yeah, I make them know say to subscribe to Rum Please TV. Whoa, subscribe to Rum Please TV, you see? Yeah, man. Get all the latest video with Jaja.
Can you give me a talk for Christmas for August now?
Me not tell them, man.
Commercial and me a tell them so why 1st August me up on a show, me no hear say nothing back.
Yeah.
But I design my own cloth, you know? My own suit I'm wearing online.
Yeah.
Online to get cloth. I don't have to wear jeans and then like a fuck again there.
Hey, online the shop.
Yeah, man.
Eh?
I get my cloth.
Online shop, but they think they know it's nice.
Yeah, man.
That's like, hold on, that's why you got in love yourself, Jamu. That's why you got in love yourself.
Boy, if I drop me give them,
Yeah?
then can't pass.
Boy, you shop online.
I don't know. How free what me I do this right to do, you know?
Yeah.
But I'm a friend.
Hey, friend.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
What you call friend? Friend with the benefit. Friend with benefit.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
That's too much you say, yeah, you really read it, huh?
That's how I use it, man.
So you use it?
That's how I buy a pack of whistler.
You get a better one in the minutes. Oh,
like
yeah.
fresh now.
Oh, yeah. The original herb man, they say, you know, a real thing I talk.
Wow.
So the first I take and walk your work. Are you serious? And stand up? Eh? Yo! Man, say my wrist. What this? A break time, and you know reach lunch. Bob Marley says skip big. The man that come like the farmer. Yeah man, look out for all the latest video of them on Rumpy's TV. Yeah, Jaja, you see me? Original Rasta, original Bing. You see me? Oh, yeah. So when you don't make your house already, I just see button on the floor.
Yeah, man. I come with butter we are putting on the floor, but you the man up there when in can do it in a much in a so firm like
Yeah. Yeah. But you know the thing. So why a special skill? Why you specialize in? Can I work it? Can I work it? Because why you specialize? Can you look like you do all your multi-skill, anything, multi-talented. Yeah, shall we
long as we can't start it, if we don't.
If we don't.
For anything we
Well, long as we can start it, it will be done. We go and link up.
Choppy. Choppy, come here. Man, drink a rum. When we come down, you get it.
Rum, please! Come on, drink a rum there. Work, you know, man. The man is all round and multi-skill. The man is a plumber, tiler, carpentry, security. Wow! Where people make us name?
Yes.
You are Mason. Boom, dogs.
Contractor.
You are contractor. A 2 shot. I don't know that drinking now.
Man, they don't know airport, you know, but you never see plane.
To the hand. And a airport in work. We don't feel no airport.
You never shut up with that shit, you can't say no airport.
Lie. I say you never shot a next shot.
Two men never see me in a uniform.
You never see in a uniform. This man don't want to work them in a your category.
So you stop the airport thing?
Me? Nah, me not stop yet. I go and do it, man.
Hey!
Yes, I like a girl.
Hey!
I saw you see one look a girl you like. I saw you go on.
Yeah. Body.
Hear it again. Hear it again.
Why make you man with me though?
No, he's not trouble. He's not trouble.
I'm not if we can't have blood clot and shallow. Come in, Sonny. Video a shot a long time not see you. Take off your mask though.
Son done.
Shot, you know see a video at
Yo! Jaja.
Oh God.
So when you drink all the rum, you remember how your name spell?
You mean name? C-L-I-F-Q-N-B-A-I-A-Y. My name was here last night, you know. If you know you're good mood, you know. Give me a shot, man.
Shut up, I'm not going for me. No, I'm going for me.
Then I shoot me.
If you want that shot.
Alright, man, the blood clot.
Yo! Yo! They need to shoot me.
Like how I go buy weed from them boy. I say give me a bag. If you no use to me sister.
Yeah.
And say empty bag. Them say me no mean empty bag.
They might carry empty
Go
back.
weed. Cause me no know if you are police. And you know where you are going. What you mean? Me have big bag and you don't know we in there. Blood clot. Like me don't listen tell the woman to be careful with the little picking of the cigarette.
Yeah.
You know, so me I tell them police that they look man look for me stuff. But me don't know say police.
Oh.
I went in Ghana no man say police. But at the same time caution little picnic.
Yeah, yeah.
I sell weed and ganja.
Yeah.
You come, you don't know you. Bang, you tell in Ghana with you.
As he say, hey, you jump up.
You
Man.
get charged too because you're the mother.
Mm-hmm.
So you're in the
Yeah, I mean, if I'm
They
forget
know that, man. Some people that talk come like a problem you make.
Mm-hmm. But they don't know better now. That, you know.
You see me down there, me no ramp with him because me must tell him mother bad out. The mother tell him tell rat,
Eh?
tell him bumbo clad. Little girl is down there.
Yeah.
Oh,
How you
I
ask?
beat to a 19-year-old kid now. My mother to beat me at 19. Me left center mass me at 19. And me catch me I go me at 20. The man wake up my birthday. Me say, fuck. Me say, the man wake up my birthday.
You left with...
You love like a blood clot.
Are you talking like joke? What you say? You left when you're 19 and you reach where you're going.
Man, me I go me at 20. I'm still 20 cheer out there and come back here.
Oh boy!
I'm 15 years now since me come back here.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm stuck on a super size. 11 years this year.
Yo, mind the fire burn knows you.
Hey! Man, I can't do one girl.